Welcome to Heel's Kitchen from my kitchen. And this time of year, sweet corn has never been sweeter. So we are combining two different textures, some sweet corn charred on the grill and some raw for this charred sweet corn salad. Let's head into the kitchen. My favorite part about this is it combines flavors and textures because some of the corn is charred on the grill, which was super easy, you guys. Here's how I did it. Just brush it with a little vegetable oil, char it for a few minutes on each side, just till you see it start to brown up a little bit. Then the easiest way to actually cut the kernels off the cob here is to get a flat end. These are 3 raw pieces and 3 charred pieces. And I put a dish towel down because I find that it catches the kernels and they don't bounce all over your kitchen. And then at the end, you can kind of scoop it up on your clean kitchen towel. So go right down the side. At the end of this, I'm gonna take a spoon and kind of get all that sweetness out of the leftover kernel as well. So I'm just finishing scraping off the cob. This is like where a lot of extra flavor and sugars are in there. So I do like to go through and kind of get everything out. Sweet corn is just so good, right? I love the look of this too with all that char and fresh. I'm gonna add 2 chopped up Fresno red peppers. This is a half of a jalapeno diced really, really finely because you don't want it to be overpowering. You don't want a big bite of jalapeno. That's seedless as well. 1 shallot, a pretty good douse of like kosher salt with that. And you blend it all together before we add in lime juice, which is gonna brighten everything up. That's the best part about this charred corn salad. It's so bright to bring places and it's so colorful. Bright, when I say bright too, not just the color, I'm talking about the flavor of it with the lime juice. Mix it all together. Doesn't it look like a little fiesta? It's so pretty with the green in there. We're gonna add some more green, and we might disagree on this green because you would think cilantro. There is nothing in this world I hate more than cilantro. So if you want to add cilantro and you want it to taste like soap like I think, go for it. Otherwise, I just got some parsley right out of my garden. Actually, it adds the same kind of green, maybe not the same flavor. Add all of that in there. And finally, we are going to top it off with just some regular queso crumbling cheese. Just kind of break it off however much you want. You're looking at me, we're using the whole thing, baby. And there you go. Toss it all in. I'm gonna keep crumbling cheese. I hope you enjoy this, you guys. Charred corn salad. I know you're gonna love it. You can get this recipe and more at KYGO.com. Thanks for watching Heel's Kitchen. Just gonna be me and my cheese here for a while.